Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to perform a factory reset on your JBL FLIP. This can be FLIP 5, 4, 3. And you might want to do this in order to get rid of bugs or also to unpair from previously paired devices. So right now I have this FLIP 5 here connected to my smartphone. It's connected and it's actually playing some music here. And while we're doing this, I'm going to press here the volume up, so the plus, and the play and pause button. I'm pressing and holding those for about like 5 to 8 seconds, and eventually the speaker is going to shut down. So I just heard the jingle here, and now you can also confirm this on the phone. It's not connected anymore. So this was already the factory reset. So now if we are starting the speaker back up, the speaker is going to automatically go into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And if we're trying to connect here with my phone right now, the phone says it can't do it. It needs to remove the device from the device list here. So now, since the speaker is already in Bluetooth pairing mode, we're going to find the speaker again here on the bottom of the list, and we can immediately start pairing to it again. And so now we are complete. You can play the music again. And we performed the factory reset. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave a message below and don't forget to like and subscribe.